In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a carousel on Facebook. A carousel post is a great way to share multiple photos or pieces of content in a single post that people can swipe through. It's perfect for things like step-by-step visuals, product showcases, or simply telling a story across several images. I'll walk you through the full process from inside Facebook, so you can follow along and do it yourself. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account or page where you want to post. You can do this either on desktop in your browser or through the Facebook mobile app. The layout might look a little different depending on your device, but the options you need will be very similar. Next, go to the area where you normally create a post. On your home feed or on your page, look for the box that says something like, "What's on your mind?" or "Create Post." Click or tap on that box to open the post editor. Now, instead of typing only text, you want to add multiple images. Look for the option that says Photo Video. Click or tap on that, and your device will open a file browser or gallery. From here, select the photos you want to include in your carousel. To create a proper carousel experience, choose at least 2 images, and ideally several that relate to each other in a logical order. After you've selected your images, they'll appear in the post preview. This is where you can rearrange them so they appear in the order you want people to swipe through. Simply drag and drop on desktop, or tap and hold and drag on mobile to reorder the photos. Take a moment here to check that the first image is the one that will grab attention, because that's the one people will see in their feed before they start swiping. You can now add a caption to the post. Type in a clear description, context, or call to action that explains what your carousel is about. This helps viewers understand why they should swipe through the images. If you want, you can also tag locations or add hashtags to improve discoverability, especially if this is for a business or a public page. When everything looks good, double-check your audience settings to make sure you're sharing with the right people, such as friends, the public, or followers of your page. Finally, click or tap Post. Facebook will publish your images together as a swipeable carousel that people can scroll through in their feed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Facebook carousel post.